Should we do a nice little intro? No? Yeah?
We be fishing.
We be fishing. Welcome to Rebel Against the Indoors. We have a February trout fish going on, so...
February 1st here.
Oh yeah, first of the second, I guess you could say. Alright, well, stay tuned. We're gonna see if we can't get you guys some fish landed and give you some nice rainbows to look at. Maybe some walleyes, maybe a burbot. Who knows? But we're in a boat, so that's all that matters, so... Catch you guys later. I'm a little disappointed, Todd. I would have thought we would have had a fish in by now.
Slow it down in here.
Yeah, it is pretty darn cold.
37.1. Look at it.
Yeah, oof. I mean, trout like cold water, but I don't know about that cold.
Oh, I think they're fine with it. Just they'll be moving a touch slower themselves.
There we go. Walleye. Actually not a half bad one though either. Boat flip. Nice and dark.
Made the boat flip, but hit it.
Heck yeah. That caught something. Yeah, look how nice and beautifully dark that thing is.
Yeah.
He's missing part of his top fin.
Yeah.
That's wild. Yeah.
Got some carrots.
I mean, we're looking at... Oh, settle down, fish. You're awfully lively for a cold walleye. Looking at 15 1/4. Back you go. Good Walter. Oh, that is a good walleye. I heard a little groan come from that rod. That is a dang, that is actually a really good walleye. Put that on the bump board. That one's got the nice bands on them too. Heck yeah. Let's see what he measures out to.
I'm thinking like 16.
Oh, 17. Oh yeah.
17 and a half.
Perfect. Yeah, he's got a good belly to him too.
He is to it.
That's the thing, the walleye down here are always so pretty.
There you go. That was a good pickup. Walleye? I don't know if you look like it, bro.
Kinda looks like it. Not seeing any real head shakes. Hey, yeah.
Nice walleye, too.
Good Walter. Oh, that is a good walleye.
Flip! Again, little egg.
I heard a little groan from that rod.
Yeah.
That is big, actually.
Yeah. Decent one.
Put that on the bump board.
Yep.
That one's got nice bands on it. Heck yeah. Let's see what he measures out to.
I'm thinking like 16, maybe 17.
Oh, 17. Oh yeah.
17 and a half.
Perfect. Yeah, he's got a good belly to him.
Pretty he is too.
That's the thing. The walleye down here are always so pretty.
Watch it. And now my hands are cold. Oh, I got one in here. Okay, some fish.
Not necessarily what we were targeting, but I'm not complaining either. I'd rather catch those. Oh, really?
Yeah. That's funny. Because I've caught them late February, but I don't think this February 1st. I don't think I've probably caught one that. That looks trouty.
Yeah, that's trout. Target.
Looks like a good one.
Thank you. Oh, weird.
What?
This must be a hatchery fish or something. That are found a prop. It's jaws all sorts of that stuff. It's jaw.
Oh yeah, it's been caught before.
Hold on, buddy. Hold on. There we go. Get you back. That's a pretty good 16. Heck yeah.
Oh, we could bunk them real quick.
What's up?
We could bunk them real quick for reference.
I'm usually pretty accurate with the walleye, so. I don't think I'm too far off on the rainbow. There we go. Oh, this feels good, wherever this is. This might be trout. Yeah, that's a trout. That was the target. Thank you. On my belt. There we go. Oh, weird.
What?
This must be a hatchery fish or something. That or it found a prop. Its jaw's all sorts of messed up. Its jaw.
Oh yeah, it's been caught before.
Is that what that is? There we go. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. There we go. Get you back. We'll get you back. That's a pretty good 16. Heck yeah. What's up?
We could bunk them real quick for reference.
Hey. I'm usually
Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moment.